Hello, I'm Alex from 3D Factory, and today I've just finished a gas-to-HPA conversion for the Vorsk VMP-2SD with blowback. I started by printing the parts using different types of filament. Hoping to find one that would be airtight enough. Unfortunately, none of the standard plastic prints worked as expected. So I switched to resin printing, and after quite a few small tweaks and adjustments, I finally ended up with this result, and I think it looks pretty good. You can find the design available in both step format if you want to modify it, or as an STL file ready for printing. I printed mine using Kunja rigid resin on a Creality printer. Now, for the assembly, you'll need the original magazine. First, remove these two pins and take off this seal. After that, the magazine comes apart into two pieces. Next, we need the valve. I actually had to make my own tool for this, since I didn't have one on hand. You'll also need an M10 threaded quick release fitting and a spring with an 8 mm diameter. Now that we have everything ready, let's put it all together. And this is how it looks after a full week of testing and refining the design. Let's give it a test. Everything runs smoothly. You can find the design in the link below in the description. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what adapter I should make next. For which replica and why. Until next time, stay sharp, play safe, and I'll see you on the field.